Hello everyone, welcome to today's exploration of high-performance glass and glazing systems, an exciting blend of technology and architecture. I'm thrilled to share this with you. Let's dive in. High-performance glass and glazing systems are at the forefront of modern architecture, offering a perfect fusion of aesthetics and functionality. One of the cornerstones of high-performance glazing is insulated glass units or IGUs. These consist of two or more panes of glass separated by a spacer, creating a sealed, insulating air gap. This design drastically improves a building's thermal insulation. Low-E or low emissivity coatings are applied to the glass surfaces. These coatings reduce the amount of heat that passes through the glass by reflecting infrared and UV radiation. They help maintain indoor temperatures and protect furniture from sun damage. The space between the glass panes and IGUs is often filled with insulating gases like argon or krypton. This enhances thermal performance by reducing heat transfer, making buildings more energy efficient. Imagine glass that can adapt to changing conditions. Dynamic glazing, such as electrochromic or thermochromic glass, does just that. It can change its properties, providing shade and reducing solar heat gain when needed. From design to installation, high-performance glass and glazing systems require expertise and precision. Architects and builders carefully consider various factors to optimize these systems for efficiency and sustainability. In essence, these high-performance glass and glazing systems are pivotal in sustainable architecture, promoting energy conservation and reducing our carbon footprint. That concludes our journey through high-performance glass and glazing systems. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at modern architectural marvels. Thanks for joining and see you next time.